guys? Alright, so we're getting ready to head out. We're going to run up to Clark. It's about 45 minutes north of Steamboat Springs there. I had heard that there's some good trails up there, but I also heard that a lot of them I can't access because I have a wider machine, 64 inches, and most of the stuff I heard up there was 50-inch or less. So we're gonna go try it out, me and my buddy Colton and his wife. So we're gonna give it a good look over, see if we can find some good spots, get some good footage for you guys, and I'll do a review of the exhausts and probably the stereo in it, just to see. I've been messing around with it a little bit, but I haven't really, I don't know, rode with it. I did a bunch of county road stuff, but that's a little bit different than actual trail riding. So we'll give it the old test today, and I'll let you guys know at the end of the video what I thought of it and how it worked, and we'll see you guys here on the trail.
That's so sketchy. Back up. Just back up. You'll be alright. You're not going over. Four-wheel drive, dude.
He's in it.
Why is it not locking up?
I don't know. Maybe it's not all fours are on the ground. Do you think that's why?
No, it'll lock. Yeah, it'll lock.
That was sketchy.
You're what? Yeah, you either will or you won't. Come on. Jump in here. You'll be alright.
I like how my phone.
Fucking read. Yeah, okay, we're here.
Yeah, so we go
Yeah,
left.
we go left. Yeah, I was looking over
We just
here.
left,
I was
go
confused.
left,
This is
stand
where we
for
were
11.
earlier.
So left,
Yeah,
go
no.
up here and then take another left.
So we go 414 to
413 to 550.
Yep, we're at 414 for.
Down my navigation skills.
I was just lost on where the fuck I was. It wasn't so much that as I was.
Oh, we know where we're at. Look, it's right there.
Oh,
We're right here.
jeez.
We're right where we're at, guys.
Obviously. You just need to go that way to get to where we're going. Which way? That way?
Are you sure?
You did the wrong wheel.
One thing that came from the ride is a flat tire. This tire actually has been popped before. the first day that I actually took the machine for a ride. I poked a hole in it with a stick. I don't know if it has a slow leak or what, but any tire brands that other people suggest, let me know. I'm looking to go to a 30 and keep my stock rims. So let me know what's good out there. I love these big horns, but you know, I'm not gonna take a tire that's leaking out all the time. I'm not gonna have a chance to wear them out just because it just leaks too much. So yeah, if you guys know any good tire brands that are close to a bighorn, let me know. Thanks. Well, there's a few trail videos for you guys. Nothing crazy. We were just out there scouting new trails and stuff like that. Because like I said in my previous video, I'm pretty tired of riding the same stuff over and over and over. So, but we were out there for, I don't know, 8 hours or so, just cruising around, having a good time. The main reason was to try to see how the exhaust would do and the stereo, test out some of the newer stuff that I put on the Razor lately, and I'm pretty impressed. So I'm going to wash this thing off and we'll go through a full review of the exhaust. Now that we got it rinsed off, at least semi-clean, we'll go through a quick review of the exhaust. Nothing too in-depth. You know, it performed awesome, sounded pretty good. It's starting to get a little bit quieter, and I think, I don't know for sure, that the packing is breaking in. So I want to say that that's why it's getting a little bit quieter. So that's kind of nice, because I thought for an extended period of time that it would be too much, and especially on the driver's side, because it's just it was loud at first. So but you know, it's not too bad now that we're getting a couple more miles on it. Definitely a little bit of a power difference, like I said before in my first video. And yeah, so the stereo, we just washed it, so I'm hoping to see, or hoping that it still works when I'm done. It's supposed to be waterproof and all that stuff. So, but no, the stereo, awesome. I would recommend that highly to anybody. Probably one of the better sounding stereos that I've heard in these Razors. I haven't heard a lot, so don't give me crap. But yeah, so I mean, it sounded great. It outdid the exhaust, so I mean, you could still hear the exhaust a little bit, but the stereo, you could still hear all the words, all the bass, everything. So it was kind of nice to be able to listen to some good music and not have the exhaust drown it out. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for an exhaust, it's pretty loud, but gives you quite a bit of power increase, I think, just for a slip-on. Look at that HMF Performance Series. Also, if you're looking for the stereo, I would suggest that Boss, you know, and they, like I said, they come in a couple different sizes. So, and the Bluetooth was awesome. It didn't have any problems with that the whole time that I was out. My phone stayed connected. Everything worked without a hitch. So, check those out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Should have more to come, so keep watching my channel. And you know, the way YouTube is set up, the likes and the comments and all that help my videos get posted higher up for like the view list for people to watch. So if you guys could, you know, throw a thumbs up on there, and even something stupid like a hi or whatever you want to do on the comments, gets my videos out, more people get to watch them, so on and so forth. Just helps me out a lot. So I know that everybody is asking for them to like, subscribe, comment, you know, but for reals though, if you guys could do that, it would help me out a bunch. Thanks.